Hello YouTube. So I'm gonna show you a little bit how I got my CKX. This is CKX helmet. This is also CKX heated goggles. It's a 210 CKX heated goggles. So this is how I got them wired over here. Basically, first thing, if you find this plug over here, it's plugged in into here. You just take this down, pull it down, and then if you look at this, there's a label over here too. So they got F1, F2, F3, F4. So that F4 says accessories, and it says F4 7 amp. And then that accessory one here, it wasn't used at all, right? It's empty. It's made for accessories. And this is gonna be this 10 over here that I already installed. So basically, this wire over here, right, I ran it behind this plastic. So you hook it up over here, get your positive, break it into here. I just put 10 amp fuse over here, and then this is just my connector, and then this is my negative, right? So I ran my negative all the way here, over here, and then I brought it down. I got this fork terminal that I put over here. You're gonna see that there's another negative already attached. So I just attached over there, and that's it. And this works. Got this type of tether wire here. So if I jump off the sled, this thing is just gonna break over here, and I'm disconnected. And as you see, the sled is not running now, but there's still enough juice in this capacitor to run my goggles. And this one has a shot 850 2018, so it worked perfect.